In this video, we will show the best double-door refrigerators in India 2020. At number 1, LG 260L double-door refrigerator, overall best pick. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 2, Samsung 253L double-door refrigerator, runner-up pick. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 3, Haier 320L double-door refrigerator, best bottom-mounted refrigerator. Features. Our review. At number 4, Haier 255L double-door refrigerator, best convertible refrigerator. Features. Our review. At number 5, Whirlpool 265L double-door refrigerator, budget double-door refrigerator. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 6, Godrej 236L double-door refrigerator, honorable mention. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update.